Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Did you know this? Erlen Bartley, better known as Alkaline, is a Jamaican dancehall reggae musician. Alkaline was born on December 19, 1993 in Kingston, Jamaica. Alkaline is an artist with high influence among the youth in the dancehall community. Alkaline is available on all music platforms. Much love to all my subscribers. Up with your help we are growing. Did you know this? According to dancehallmag.com, Alkaline still dancehall's biggest seller even without a Grammy nomination. Alkaline may not have been included in the 2022 Grammy Awards nominations, but the numbers show he's still the dancehall artist with the best-selling dancehall reggae album of 2021. Did you know this? Alkaline 14-track album that was released in May generated nearly 3,000 units in sales and streaming during its first week, outperforming all other dancehall albums released during the year so far. By August it had recorded 600,000 radio spins. Alkaline's sophomore album to its official release and the ongoing criticism. Did you know this? Alkaline album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Album charts, number 1 on the US Current Reggae Album chart, and was 56th on the US Top Current Album Sales chart. Alkaline's legacy will be judged by history. Top Prize's absence from the list of Grammy Awards nominations has left Alkaline fans to believe that the champion boy the hitmaker is getting a fight. Did you know this? Alkaline stays true to his hardcore swag while eschewing melody and vibe, producing yet a dance-able track. Alkaline's new animated video for Bareback is available on YouTube. Leave a comment saying a Careface CVP sent me. Big up dancehallmag.com. Alkaline told the star that he's focused on releasing new music and embarking on other investments. Work never stopped, said Alkaline's NFTs. You know me still a medsit. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.